Don't even think about it.
How'd you know it was me?
I'm your mother. I know everything. Now, where have you been?
I thought you knew everything.
Hey, Auntie Kay. You're looking remarkably groomed today.
Hello, Turk.
Oh! Knock the neck! Knock the neck, Auntie! Oh! Watch it! Oh! Ow! Whoa!
Okay, it's all fun and games until someone loses an eye. Somebody's gonna get hurt here. And
Cramp in the camp!
Please!
Okay, you win! Ow! Okay, you win! Hello! Down here! Yo! Let go!
Oh, sorry, Turk.
What kind of animal are you?
You know, I've been thinking lately that maybe Tarzan could be some subspecies of elephant.
What are you, crazy? An elephant?
Listen to me, think about it. He enjoys a peanut. I enjoy a peanut.
He looks nothing like you. Okay, everybody, move aside, out of my way. Best friend coming through. That would be me. And you? Don't make a habit of that, okay? There are other ways of getting attention, you know?
I'll try to remember that.
All right. And I was right behind you. They had you covered.
What was that? Hey, it wasn't me, I swear. Okay, maybe it was.
Everyone, let's move.